Hey, what is up YouTube? How are you guys doing today? Thank you guys ever so much for joining me today. My name is Tobias and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today what I have for you guys is another ThreadBeast unboxing and review. Oh, I have it right here. This is a pretty heavy package, guys, and I'm not 100% sure what is in here. I have a feeling this might be my essential package because I did switch my ThreadBeast profile to an essential package, but according to the ThreadBeast website, I shouldn't be receiving my ThreadBeast package for another 6 days. So it is a possibility that this is not an essential and just a referral package, but this one, check out how thick this box is. This is insane. I don't know if you guys could see on camera, but it's kind of bulging on the sides. So let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. I just want to give you some background info really quick. If you guys are familiar with my ThreadBeast videos, I have changed my style profile slightly. So instead of casual and relaxed, I switched it to crisp and clean. And for tops, I changed it so I can now get button-up shirts. And an essential package should come with 4 to 5 items. However, I had some issues with some previous items that I received. I received one duplicate shirt in my last package, and before that they sent me a shirt that was way too small, so I should have 2 replacement items in this package right here. And on top of that, I did have 2,600 loyalty reward points that I cashed in to get about $50 worth of extra items in this package. So if this is the essential package like I think it is, it should have all that stuff, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and open this up. One thing I just want to mention really quick is that if you do want to sign up for a ThreadBeast subscription, if you want to use my referral code, I'll go ahead and put it down in the description of this video. If you use my referral code for your first ThreadBeast box, you should get $50 worth of extra items in your first package. So you definitely want to take advantage of that if you are a first-time ThreadBeast customer. And let's go ahead and see what we got! Ooh, I like this teal sweater. And there's a lot of stuff in here. Check this out. Man, what is this? Oh, Boulevard Supply. I got a t-shirt by them in my last package. This actually feels pretty cool. I don't know. I like this. I don't have any sweaters like this, so this is great. Like, you know, it doesn't have a hood. It's just a classic sweater. I really like this. I'm not a big fan of clothing that just has the logo on it like that. I'm not a big fan of that, to be honest. I'm not a walking advertisement for this company. Like, that's just my one complaint. This button-up's kind of cool. You know, I could see, I mean, it kind of looks like women's pajamas. That's what this reminds me of. I mean, I gotta try it on. Who knows? I might feel better about it once I try it on, but right off the bat, I'm kind of like indifferent about that. This looks like a woman's top, but of course I'll have to try it on. I love this. This is really cool. Is this like sweats or joggers? Whoa! Oh man, I just revealed too much. Let's see what we got right here first. These pants are awesome. Newspaper joggers by Elwood. I like this brand, guys. I have a couple things by Elwood so far, and I've liked everything I've gotten. They're kind of, I don't even know what this material is, but it's not like sweatpants. It's like regular pant material, but then they're like stretchy at the bottom, stretchy at the waist. Really, really cool. I love those. Okay, guys, these red leopard pants are awesome. They feel like they're the same exact material that those last pants were. They feel like they're the same exact material. So let's see, how many things have we gotten so far? 1, 2, 3. Okay, this will be our 4th item right here. I love these, guys. These are cool. You'll definitely see me wearing these. The cool thing about these is that they're not like sweatpants, so they're not like super casual. Oh, is this a hoodie? Nice! An orange camo hoodie. Guys, this is nice. I like this a lot. This is probably my favorite thing that I've gotten in the box so far. Large Elwood hoodie. I love this. It's not a very thick material either. Like, you can wear this when it's not very cold. It's kind of like long sleeve shirt material. Oh man, this is awesome. That all over camo print. I like that a lot. All right, guys, let's go on to our next item. I feel like my lighting is a little weird. 1 second. All right, is that better? I hope that's better. Whoa, did I get 2 pairs of jeans in here? Guys, I just got... No way, guys. I got another duplicate in this box. But let's go ahead and go through the other stuff that I got. Really nice pants. I really like these pants. Jaywalker. Wait a minute. Did I get pants like this before? These look a lot like some other pants that I I gotta double check that. Let's put these aside, but I mean, you know, regular skinny blue jeans with some rips and tears. I have some pants very similar to those. I think those might be duplicate. I gotta check. These pants, they're also Elwood, I believe. Elwood, they're starting to become my favorite brand, guys. They're similar to the other ones, but just a darker blue. You know, we got some rips and tears, kind of that Warren look. I really like that. I think these look really cool. All right, let's go ahead and put these aside. And these are the duplicate. This is the duplicate item I think that I got. If these are, oh no, they're shorts. No way. Okay, guys, they're not a duplicate. They're shorts. I have the sweatpants of these. Okay, did they just literally cut? Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to. Okay, so they are actually shorts. For a second, I thought they just took the sweatpants and chopped off the bottoms, but the tag does say shorts. But I mean, I already have the sweatpants of these. I guess it's kind of cool that I have the shorts now. It's just kind of redundant, but I mean, you know, summer's coming up in a couple months, so I'll be all set. Wow, I actually still have 2 extra items in here. No way, this is like that, what would you call that? Like realistic camo? Joggers, are these Elwood also? Yeah, they are, Elwood. Man, they're going like really strong with the Elwood stuff. But these are cool, like, I would totally wear these. These are wild. I definitely go for the wild clothes, guys. I'm gonna show you guys, once I finish this unboxing, I'm going to try everything on, and then I'll tell you guys how to get clothing like this, what I have my style profile set to receive these types of clothes. We got a staple shirt. It's a pretty wild design. Really crazy shirt. Okay, let's go put this aside. I believe that's everything. Yes, that is everything. Let's go ahead and try this stuff on. So I think I got some cool stuff in this box, but to be 100% honest, I'm not really feeling the box 100%. Earlier, I was saying that one pair of the jeans that I got were a duplicate. I actually went into my closet and I found the duplicate pair of jeans that I already had. It was the Jaywalker jeans. As you can see, they're exactly the same. They're just like a different shade of denim. So I'm gonna have to email ThreadBeast about that, and you know, they'll probably send me a replacement item in my next box. And earlier, I was unsure if this was my essential package, but I'm thinking that this is actually my essential package because of the amount of clothes that I got in it. I got a total of 10 items. I got 4 tops and 6 bottoms. I can assume that 4 of the items were for the essential package, and then 2 of the items were replacement items, and then the remaining items must have been the $50 worth of additional items I got for cashing in my loyalty rewards points. So another thing is that I feel like the ratio of tops to bottoms is kind of out of whack. I feel like instead of 6 bottoms, like maybe like 1 or 2 would have been good, and then the rest of those could have been t-shirts. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I'm the type of person where I could wear a pair of pants like multiple times before I'll wash them. That might sound gross to some people, but hey, that's just the way it is. But t-shirts, you know, you could wear a t-shirt once and then you gotta wash it. You can't wear a t-shirt multiple times, in my opinion. At least that's how I am. I also feel like I kind of got a bunch of no-name brands. In my past boxes, I've gotten brands that people have actually heard of before, like Huff or Diamond Supply. And I feel like the box was kind of redundant. Aside from the duplicate jeans that I got 3 pairs of pretty wacky joggers, which I actually do think are cool, but I think the package would have been fine with just maybe 1 of those. And also the Champion sweatshorts. They're just the cutoff versions of the Champion sweatpants that I got in my last package, which was the baller package. So that was a little redundant too. And I feel like part of the problem might be my fault, because on my style profile, there's a little section where you can write in comments, and I wrote in there, please send me your most outrageous stuff, and I think that I've probably exhausted their supply of outrageous clothes. So I'm definitely gonna have to go into my profile and make some changes, because I feel like their inventory must be bigger than what I've been getting, because I'm seeing this redundancy in my packages, and I'm thinking that must be the reason why. But just in case anybody's curious, I'm gonna show you guys how I have my style profile set up. So for my style, I have it set to crisp and clean. For colors, I have it set to bright. For my pants fit, I have it set to skinny. For styles, I have distressed set to yes, explicit graphics set to no. As for tops, I have slim fit tops set to no, button ups yes, polos no, and then I put no to all the accessories. So if you did like the clothes that I got in this package, if you set your profile up like that, then you should get this style of clothes in your package. And once again, I will have my ThreadBeast referral link down in the description of this video in case you want to check that out. And I do have this, check this out. I have a new unopened referral box right here, so whoever used my referral code, thank you so much. When you use my referral code, you get $50 worth of extra items in your first ThreadBeast package, and I get a free referral package like this one right here. In the past when I've gotten them, I think it's come with like 3 or 4 items, something like that. So I'll be posting the unboxing of this package next week. So if you want to see that, make sure you go down there and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. And remember guys, if you do get a ThreadBeast subscription and you get anything that doesn't really work out for you, like you get the same item from ThreadBeast twice, or they send you the wrong size of a piece of clothing, make sure you email them and show them proof, like you have to send them a picture or something of your duplicate item or that they sent you the wrong size. Make sure you do that, because then in your next package that you get from them, they will send you a replacement item to make up for that duplicate or wrong item that they sent you. So anyways guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you go down there and give this video a like. That would help me out tremendously. And if you'd like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. I do a bunch of different kinds of videos on my channel. Apart from ThreadBeast videos, I do tech reviews, mostly microphones, on Mondays. On Wednesdays, I post reviews on any product or videos on any topic, and also ThreadBeast videos. And then on Fridays, I post fish, aquarium, and pond videos. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, you definitely want to subscribe. And if you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias. I try to post to Instagram every day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.